Hi, my name is Sinaya Graves. I'm a rising senior at West Catholic Preparatory High School, and one thing I loved about the Fall House today was feeling welcome as a Black woman in America. I will be attending Cheyney University in fall of 2025 in pre-med.
My name is Jabril. I'll be at Cheyney University, fall 2025. See you!
And experiences that you gain here at Cheyney will set you apart from the competition.
See you! Everyone, my name is Periano Hennon III. I'm from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and I'm a senior here at the nation's first HBCU, Cheyney University of Pennsylvania, majoring in criminal justice. Today, I had the opportunity to be one of the senior tour guides today for the Student Ambassador Program and touring most of the campus with our students today, our prospective students, of course, that are thinking about attending Cheyney University of Pennsylvania. I think that our students and the prospective students who participated today, they took so much of the rich history of the university, as well as taking in some of our personal experience about the university, and they're really taking that into play about coming to the nation's first HBCU, Cheyney University of Pennsylvania. And I'm so excited for our prospective students, and to our prospective students, see you!